How to fix CCleaner not installing, uninstalling, opening, or working. 1. Restart your computer. 2. Clear the temporary files folder cache. 3. Completely remove current cleaner. 4. Temporarily disable your third-party security software. 5. Check whether the Windows installer engine is working. If not, run to commands as admin, msiexec/unregister msiexec/rex/6. Run CCleaner with administrative privileges. Like this. 7. Update CCleaner. 8. Install, uninstall, or open CCleaner in Windows Clean Boot state. 9. Learn how to uninstall a program via registry. 9.1 Get uninstall string from hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows /current version /uninstall in Windows registry. For 64-bit users, go to hklm/software/wow6432 node /Microsoft/Windows /current version /uninstall instead. 9.2 Run msiexec.exe/i uninstall string here command as admin.